We'll guide you through how to fix 5 GHz or 5G networks not showing up on your PC or laptop. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be super annoying. First of all, let's make sure your wireless adapter goes and supports 5G or 5 GHz. To do that, come to the bottom of your computer and click on search. You can type in CMD or command prompt and open it up. What you need to do is go and type in net sh space WLAN space show space drivers. Press enter, you'll see this information. Scroll up and you want to locate radio type supported. And what you want to do is go and compare this by doing a search with what radio types goes and supports 5 GHz. If your wireless adapter radio type supported matches what the 5 GHz needs, then great. However, if it doesn't, then what you'll need to do is get a different wireless adapter. Check in advance that it supports 5 GHz. However, if yours does support it, but it's still not showing up, then what you need to do is come to the bottom of your computer and click on search, and you want to go and type in device manager and open it up. Now what you need to do is go and locate network adapters and click on the arrow to the left. And you want to go and locate your wireless adapter. Mine is this one here. Right click on it and click on properties and go into advanced. Then what you want to do is firstly come to 5 GHz channel bandwidth, make sure that's set to auto. Then go down to band selection. I like to have all bands selected. You could have 5G only. If it's set to 2.4G only or to 6, that may be why it's not showing up. And then also preferred band, just set that to no preference, like so, and you can click OK. Now hopefully the network will go and appear. If it still doesn't, then what you should try doing is updating your wireless adapter drivers. You can do that in the device manager, right click on it and click on update driver, and you can do an automatic search. Alternatively, you can go and manually install them online too, and after you've done that, try restarting your computer. Then hopefully you'll be able to go and see them and they'll show up.